Dear people of 2020, I saw how you acted over the toilet paper. I saw riots and protests claiming racial and social injustice as the cause. I keep seeing signs that you wear masks because you respect and care about others. But I remember the way you were before the crisis. I remember when I cried from the first terrible loss in my life and you laughed in my face. I remember when I reported fraud to every institution imaginable and the way the Norfolk police looked at me and told me that no crime had been committed. There were no protesters fighting to defund the police when my case was ignored. There were no riots making an outcry for justice for my black life. And for every racist incident I've experienced in my life, I always remember the other black people who helped carry it out. When I was at Disney, during a brief internship, 4 white girls got together and made a false claim that they felt threatened by me. And it was a black man who filed the paperwork. Yet, in the face of Disney and its blatantly racist and anti-Semitic history, the outcry that Black Lives Matter only applied to voting Democratic. It doesn't matter who your president is. When I faced grief, racism, and injustice, it was you who left me to experience it alone. I remember warning black people about eating pork and the detrimental health effects of the soul food diet, but I was rebuffed by their stubborn determination to eat bad food and their lack of concern over their health. Now suddenly these same people adamantly enforce a piece of cloth mask for the sake of their health. You can fool yourself when you say that you are following these COVID protocols because you care about others, but you do not fool me, because I remember what you did. I've been colored for far longer than it has trended in the media. I've been fatherless, I've been robbed, I've been exploited, and I've grieved alone. And I know you don't care about my life. Resentfully, Sullied Bride.